Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we take one batter every week and make a delicious, scrumptious muffin because we love muffins. Hello, guys. How are you? Welcome to Muffins Galore. And today, guys, we are going to be making a coconut muffin with pumpkin seed and white chocolate. That is today's special on Muffins Galore. I will have the directions in the box, the description box below. Do subscribe. This is a brand new channel and we are dedicated to all things muffin. And we use one recipe every week to make a variety of muffins. So let's get started on this muffin adventure. All right. So today, guys, it is all about making wonderful, wonderful muffins. And it's coconut day. So in here, I've got sugar. I've got the sugar here. And I am going to add our melted butter. Give this a nice stir. We'll just add our eggs. And we like all our ingredients to be room temperature. That is for best results. And it's a vanilla time. We are going to add some vanilla. And we add in some almond, small amount of almond just for flavor. So here we've got some desiccated coconuts here, and this is unsweetened desiccated coconut. Here I've got some pumpkin seed, and I've got 1 tablespoon of dried fruits. And the dried fruits I've got here is they're pineapple and raisins. So I'm going to add that in. And I am going to add our flour a bit at a time. I'll do it in 2. I will switch utensils since my whisk decide to have a malfunction. So now, guys, I am going to add our yogurt. Okay. And then me grab our, this is our thing. We added it here and we mix it in. So guys, here I've got some chocolate chip, white chocolate that I'm going to add. And let me add the rest of the flour. Alrighty. Okay, guys. And here I've got my muffin pan that I already lined with muffin cups, and I am going to just put them in the muffin bag. So okay guys, so we're gonna put this in here in our cup. Okay, let's see if we could make one out of this. If we would get one muffin out of this one here. Let's see. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, maybe it might not be as big as the others, but hey, we tried. This is half the recipe that I used, but I will put the full recipe in the description box. So we are going to I am going to put this in the oven now and bake it off for between 19 and 22 minutes, depending on your stove and your altitude. All right, guys, so I will see you guys when these are all done and looking scrumptious. And here they are, the finished products. Our coconut pumpkin seed muffins with white chocolate chip. Looking so lovely. I hope you make these.